Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening on my watchgang Black membership watch from April. Yes, of course I'm running behind. It seems to be the way it goes these days. I'm not making any promises on when I'll do follow-up reviews. I just get to what I can when I can, and box openings are fast and fun. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Stratton Leggera Bullhead Chrono. It's funny, this absolutely is one of my favorite watches, and not that many people comment on this one. It blows me away. I love the crazy case design. It is so cool in person, and no one notices this one. I don't know why. Now, if you're not familiar with WatchGang, it is a monthly subscription company for watches. They have multiple tier levels. They have original, black, platinum. There's all kinds of giveaways and promos and new stuff they're doing all the time. And I subscribe to the black tier level, which is the $99 tier level. And I do some of the wheel spins and other box openings as well. Also, guys, if you're looking to save a little bit of money on watches, check out the links below for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're looking to sign up for WatchGang, click my link below. It gets me some wheel spin points, you some wheel spin points, and overall helps me keep the channel going. So let's see what we got for April. All right. Got a chronologia. Now, I actually have some watches from them. And, well, I'm close to one of them that I got quite some time ago on the black tier. Now, this one had an issue with being able to set the time, the crown. I don't really remember. I haven't touched it since I had that issue. How crazy is that? So let's see what we got this time. I have another watch from them that I like. It's one of the more unique colors from Chronologia. All right, so we got one on a bracelet. Oh, wow. But it's like a composite. Is the whole watch composite pretty much? Except for, looks like we've got a stainless case back. Man, that's kind of cool. Definitely unique. It'll be interesting to see how this one holds up. Let's take a look what's on the tag here. Ooh, upside down. So, got a SKU number 85601F. Oh, looks like, what else we got? Looks like we got a headlight. That's kind of cool. Let me open this up a little bit more here. So we have just kind of a standard stamped fold over clasp. Like I've said in the past, a lot of people complain about those. I've never had too many issues. I don't know that it feels bad on this particular bracelet because it is so light. I can't even explain to you how light this watch is compared to the Stratton I have on my wrist. I mean, it weighs almost nothing. It's so light. This one I'm actually pretty excited about. I dig the yellow combo on the dial. We got a lot of different levels and textures going on in the dial. Makes it a little bit more unique, but man, that bracelet is so cool. Let me go ahead and throw it on wrist so you can see how it looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Now, I will say it does seem like the lug to lug is a little bit longer than what I normally wear, so that'll be interesting once I get this sized how it actually feels on wrist, but I don't think it looks too bad. It's kind of pushing my comfort zone for what I would normally wear. But because it's so light, I don't know that I would be bothered by the large size. I actually really dig the look of this one. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.